I hope you are doing great. Do you know that as lucrative as fish farming business is, do you know that as profitable as fish farming business is, there are so many recorded cases of success and there are so many recorded cases of losses in this same business? Quickly, I will share with you just 3 factors that differentiate a successful catfish farmer from the unsuccessful catfish farmer. Number 1, a successful catfish farmer is financially stable. Your inability to provide funds when required in your farm will definitely affect the output of your farm. If you want to be successful in this business, make sure you are financially stable before venturing into this business. Number 2, a successful catfish farmer has a good management skills. Your ability to communicate, to motivate, and to lead your team will definitely tell on the output of your farm. A successful catfish farmer has the ability, has the skills required to manage his farm in the right way. Once you lack good management skills, it will definitely tell on your farm. If you want to be successful in your business, have good management skill. Acquire good management skills. The third one, which is the last one, is dedication. A successful catfish farmer has a burning desire to succeed. No matter anything, any challenge that comes his or her way, you must have this burning desire to succeed. You must have this desire to achieve your goals in your business. Challenges come every now and then, but your ability to face these challenges and go after your goals, it's what makes you a successful catfish farmer. So, if you want to join the league of the catfish farmers, put into consideration these 3 points I mentioned in this video, and I promise you, you will make a good profit in your business. So that's about that for today. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, kindly like our Facebook page. And if you're on Twitter, we are on Twitter as well. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.